In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate Google Sheets updates with a batch workflow. We'll build a simple, reliable flow that reads only the rows that are ready, processes them in manageable chunks, updates the values you care about, and writes everything back to your spreadsheet while respecting API limits. By the end, you'll have a repeatable process you can run on demand. To kick things off, start with the manual trigger. Clicking Execute Workflow is your explicit signal to begin processing. This is great for controlled runs, testing, or when you want to verify changes before letting anything happen automatically. Think of it as your safe Go button. Next, bring in the Google Sheets reader. Configure it to fetch rows based on a filter so you're working only on what matters. In this setup, we pull rows where the status column equals ready. Make sure the column name and the filter value match your sheet exactly, including case and spacing. If your sheet has headers, confirm the node is reading the correct tab and range. Filtering up front keeps the workflow focused and fast. Now it's time to loop through your items in batches. The split in batches approach prevents slowdowns and avoids hitting API limits. Choose a batch size that fits your volume and quotas. Smaller batches give you tighter control, while larger ones can speed things up if your limits allow. Each batch travels through the rest of the workflow separately, which also makes troubleshooting easier. Before we write anything back, use the Set node to shape your data. Here you can change fields or add new ones, such as updating status to done, incrementing a number, or copying values into a standardized format. Be careful to preserve any identifiers your update depends on, like a row number, and double-check data types so numbers and dates land correctly. With your fields ready, send the items to the Google Sheets Update node. Map the matching column to row number so each item updates the right row. Confirm the spreadsheet, the Sheet tab, and your field mappings. This step ensures your sheet reflects all changes automatically and accurately. After updates, add a brief wait. A short pause helps you stay under Google Sheets quotas and smooths out spikes in traffic. Even a couple of seconds can make a big difference when processing many rows. Finally, include an additional wait right after reading rows before the workflow loops again. This extra pause spaces out requests over time, keeping the whole process steady and error-free. That's it. Click Execute Workflow, watch ready rows move through in batches, and see your sheet update to done with confidence.